Let's talk about a special kind of four-sided shape that often show up. It's called a cyclic quadrilateral. A cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral, meaning it has four sides, where four corners lie exactly on the edge of a circle. The circle is called the circumcircle, and it passes through all the points A, B, C, D in this diagram. Think of it this way. If you can draw a circle that goes through perfectly all 4 points of the shape without missing any of the 4 points, then it's a cyclic quadrilateral. Let's look at a very cool rule about angles in the circle. Angles in opposite segment. We just learned that a four-sided shape inside a circle is called a cyclic quadrilateral, and it means that all 4 corners lie on the circle. The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary and add up to 180 degrees. In this diagram, take a look at the both angles. In this case, angle BCE and angle BDE sum up to 180 degrees. And looking at the red angle, angle DBC and angle DEC also sum up to 180 degrees. Now let's try this example together. The diagram below shows a circle with center O. Given that BOD is 80 degrees, find angle BCD. Please spend some time working this on your own, and we can verify and work through it together. Now look at angle BOD and angle BAD. Angle at center is 2 times the angle at circumference, meaning angle BOD is 2 times of angle BAD. In other words, angle BAD equal to 80 degrees divided by 2 equal to 40 degrees. And we just learned that in a cyclic quadrilateral, angles in opposite segment sum up to 180 degrees. In other words, angle BCD and angle BAD sum up to 180 degrees. So we have angle BCD equal to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees equal to 140 degrees.